Hello, all of you. Myself Rahul More. I am a teacher from Sant Tukaram National Model School. I teach social science. Today I am here to present a demo on C++. C++ is one of the programming languages in computer field. Today we are going to see some features, uses, and importance of C++ programming language in computer field. First of all, it is very necessary to understand what is program and what is programmer, because in C++ language, in that we find the word programming. So program, this word has the different meaning in different sector. So in computer field, the program word has a different word meaning. See, program means what? A set of instructions that is given to a computer so that it will do a particular task is called a program. Computer is a machine, and that machine cannot do any work at its own. We have to give some instructions to perform a particular task, and with the help of instructions given by us, that particular program is done in the computer. So these particular instructions are known as a program. For example, suppose you are in Golai and one person is asking you where is Shivaji Chowk. That time you give him some instructions, and with the help of these instructions, that person reach to the Shivaji Chowk. So the whatever the instructions are given, these are program in computer language. Okay, in the computer field, these instructions are known as a program. Then what is programmer? So this meaning is very easy, that for example, suppose a person who is teaching, that is teacher, the person who is driving any vehicle, that is driver. In the same way, the person who prepare, who designs the program, that person is known as a programmer. Or we can say a person whose job is to write programs for a computer is called a programmer. So we find that the many people are there who perform that particular programs, designs programs, develop programs for the computer to give instructions to this computer. That particular people are known as programmer. So these two concepts are very important, program and programmer. Now see, what is a programming language? It is again third important point is that the what is a programming language? See, programming language means what? A specific language through which instructions are given to the computer is called the programming language. Nowadays means everyone speaks different in different languages. We use different languages. In India also we find many languages are there. At international level, English is used. So for communication, we use different type of languages: Marathi, Hindi, English, Kannada, Telugu, etc. See here, in the same way, in computer, we find the one specific language is there. That is the programming language. So different type of languages we find here. That is Python, then C, C++, Kotlin, then Scala, Swift. Various such type of languages we find in computer field. Now see history of C++, as our demo is on C++. So it is important to understand the history of C++. The language is developed by B. Jeremy Stotterstrup at Bell Labs in 1979. He is a person who developed C++ language, C++ programming language. Now we are using current version of C is the C++ 20. It is the current version is used worldwide for the computer. Then C++ has been designed from C language. It is important here. Earlier, the same person has developed the C language, but there were some lacunas were there, limitations were there. drawbacks were there in C language, and that's why he developed, he gave the some important instructions programs in C language, and new language was developed. It is known as the C++ language. It is the advanced version with more features than C and C++. C is a procedural programming language and does not support classes and objects. In programming language, in C++ language, class and object, these two aspects are very, very important. Afterwards, we are going to learn in detail what is classes and what is object. While C++ is a combination of both procedural and object-oriented programming languages. Now, in C++, there are two plus are there. So these two plus indicate advanced features and concepts. C++ indicate the advanced features and concepts. That's why C++ cover the drawbacks of C language. Whatever the drawbacks were there, these drawbacks have been covered in C++ language. So it is very, very important and the very useful language in the computer field. It is a programming language, C++. Programming language are used to design or develop the software, like hotel booking. Whenever we go, suppose you want to visit any historical place or tourist place, first of all we book the hotel there, and in this hotel, that online we get the various apps are there, websites are there, and through this website we book the hotel. So these whatever instructions are given there in the that website, these are designed with the help of programming language. Then internet is also there nowadays. With the help of internet, with the help of mobile apps, we developed a lot of means we book the nowadays each and everyone having the mobile phones, and this because of this coronavirus we are conducting classes also on Zoom application. So this Zoom is one of the apps is there, and to develop such type of various apps, that is the suppose Photoshop app is there, then the Zoom app and other apps are there, banking apps. These are developed with the help of C++, and that is the games, very interesting part of the students, that is entertainment part, games. So these games are also developed with the help of the C++ programming language. So with the help of this, for example, we can understand that what is the importance of these such type of languages in the computer field. Now see, nowadays C++ is the most powerful language in the world. Therefore, there is no better investment of time and effort than learning C++. It is said that before some years, the person was known as illiterate, who didn't read and write. That person was the illiterate. But nowadays, concept has been changed now. The person who can read and write, but the same person doesn't know computer language, computer knowledge, that is illiterate. So to become 100% literate, we must know the computer knowledge, and to understand computer thoroughly, we must know the that programming languages. So with the C++, we can program anything. We can develop any software. We can develop any app with the help of C++. See, what is C++ now? First of all, we have to learn what is C++. A very famous and very easy definition is there. C++ is a general purpose, high level, compiler based and object oriented programming language. What is C++? It is a general purpose, high level, compiler based and object oriented programming language. Here, in this definition, there are four parts are there. Four words are very important. These are general purpose, high level, compiler based and object oriented programming. So we are going to learn one by one. First one, what is general purpose? General purpose means we can use the language for different types of software and apps. It is a general purpose. It is also called as a multi-purpose also. means the C++ doesn't have a single importance, or we can say that we cannot use for only for the one software or only one app. We can use for various purpose. That's why it is known as a multi-purpose language. Example, I have given here 5-6 examples. First one, it is used for operating system like DOS, Unix, etc. These disk operating system, DOS, Unix, such type of operating systems are there in computer, and these are developed with the C++ language. Without these DOS, Unix, we cannot run smoothly that computer. Then second one, it is used to design editor like Notepad, MS Word, etc. So we are through the Zoom application, we are preparing the PPTs. That is, in MS Office we find MS Word, PPT, Excel, etc. So for the notes we use the MS Word, for PPT, for presentation we use the PPT, and for making result, then result analysis, we use the Excel. All these programs are designed with the help of the C++. Then third one, commercial apps like banking, hotel, theater, etc. also developed with the help of C++. Now Kotak Bank is there, Axis Bank, Paytm, Bheem app, number of apps are there, and we know the cashless. Okay, cashless transformation of money is there. Means through the with the help of these apps we can transfer money. So it is known as the cashless. So these apps are developed with the help of the C++. Then fourth one, database applications are also designed like Oracle. This is very famous database application is there used in computer, and these Oracle database application is also developed with the help of C++. Translators convert the English language into binary language. Afterwards also we are going to learn in detail what is compiler and what is translator. So this is also the important task is performed by the C++. The next one, device drivers are designed like keyboard, printer, mouse, etc. So these are the organs of the, for example, in our body, hands, legs, the nose, ears, such type of organs are there. And with the help of these organs, we are surviving on the earth. In the same way, we can say, we can compare this keyboard, mouse, printer, just like our body. So without keyboard and printer, we cannot imagine computer. These computer, mouse, then keyboard and printer are developed and designed with the help of C++. Seventh one, computer and mobile games. It is a very interesting part of the student's life. That is, on computer and on mobile, we find number of games are there, and these games are also designed with the help of the C++. That's why C++ is known as the general purpose or multi-purpose programming. With the help of these examples, we can understand that what is the importance of C++ language in the computer field. Without C++, we cannot imagine the computer learning and computer development. All these means, for example, the people are performing the drama on the stage, but behind the curtain, many people are there. Director is there, musician is there, but most important thing is that the director is there, and with the help of this director only, these people perform the drama on the stage. In the same way, the C++ is the main director behind all these activities. Without director, any movie, any drama cannot be performed in the same way. Without C++, all these tasks cannot be performed. We will proceed now. Now second, that is a compiler. What is mean by compiler? See here, the computer understand a specific language. This language is sets of zeros and ones. Marathi is there, English is there, Kannada is there, and in every language we find some alphabets. Like in English, A, B, C, D is there, A to Z. Then in Marathi, that is A, A, E is there, which is used in Sanskrit also. So these sets, in the same way, in computer language, there is zero and ones are used there. It is the alphabet of computer language, that is a 0 and 1. And these computer cannot understand our language. Keep in mind, this computer cannot understand our language. Though on keyboard there is A, B, C, D is there, English language is there. Sometimes we use the Marathi also, Marathi typing, but this computer cannot understand this English language. It has its own language. So these sets of zeros and one is called the binary format. The specific name is given, that is the binary format. Now this is the computer language, and the language is also called the machine language because it used by the machine. That's why this particular language is called as the machine language. So whatever we give instruction to the computer, it is necessary to convert into binary format or machine language. For example, I will give you one example that suppose our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has gone to Japan, suppose, and he has given visit to one Japanese school. But in that school, many students are there, or all the students are there. They are not able to talk English, and they cannot speak Hindi. And at the same time, Narendra Modi ji can speak English, but he cannot speak the Japanese language there. That time, how can he communicate with these children? With the help of translator. One person is there. Whenever or whatever Narendra Modi ji will speak in Hindi or English, that translator will translate into Japanese language, and whatever the Japanese students will speak, that he will translate into English language or Hindi language. So it is a very important role of the translator between the guest and the children. So translator is very, very important. In the same way, that is the one program is there that translate the English or other languages into machine language. So this compiler is very important. So what is mean by compiler? Compiler is a system software which converts programming language code into binary format in a single step. Okay, what is compiler? It is a system software which converts programming language code into binary format in a single step. Whatever the instructions are given in English, these instructions are translated, converted into binary language, and it is given to the computer. And with the help of this binary language only, computer perform its task. So this compiler is very, very important. Then C++ is a compiler. So what is the importance of C++? It does not, it not only perform the to develop the software apps, but another one important task is performed by C++ is compiler. C++ is designed to be a compiled language. Another one important feature of the C++ is it has been designed as a compiler language. It means that it is generally translated into machine language that can be understood directly by the system, making the generated program highly efficient. Whatever the instructions are given by the operator, these instructions are converted into binary digits, binary language by the C++. So this is source code is known as a high level language. Source code means whatever we give instructions, and compiler is there, mediator, translator, and object code means machine language. So this C++ is very, very important. Now third point is advantages of C++ compiler. It takes entire programs input at a time. It is very, very important that it takes entire programs input at a time. It execute conditional control statement fastly. Program need not to be compiled every time. It displays error after entire program is checked. C++ is an object-oriented programming language. Main intention behind to develop C++ was that is object-oriented programming language. This feature was missing in C language. That's why these people invented C++ language. Only for the object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language, also known as a OOP, or sometimes it is also known as a OOPS, OOPS. In short, it is also known as OOPS, but most of the time it is used as a OOP. Object-oriented programming language is a programming based on the concept of objects which can contain data in the form of fields and code in the form of procedure. We are going to learn in detail what is class and what is object here. So it is the main intention of that object-oriented programming language. Now see, two aspects are important in object-oriented programming language, that are the class and object. These two aspects are very, very important. When we understand class and object, we understand the entire C++. So it is the base of the C++ language, that is a class and object. Now we have to understand, or we have to study what is class and what is object. I have given first one example. Through this example, we understand the class and object. Suppose in market, whenever we go, we find the fruits there. We find the everywhere fruits. But what is meant by fruit? In find that the different categories are there. In fruits, we find different categories like apple, mango, banana. So this is a fruit is the main category, and in that category, we find the different type of the fruits, types of the fruit. So this fruit is the class, and its types are known as a object. This fruit is a class, and these types are known as a object. Again, I will give example that you can also give the various example. For example, class is tree, and objects are, we find different type of trees are there. Okay, neem tree is there, mahogany tree is there, oak tree is there. Such type of trees are there. So tree is the class, and the mahogany, then sesame, then sandalwood, neem, these are the objects. Again, we can give example. For example, two-wheelers. Two-wheeler is a class, and in that Honda, then Passion Pro, Shine, these are the objects, means one category, and in that their subtypes are known as the object. Another one example is that the related to our school, that is the class. Class is the, suppose, register number. Every students, whenever we give admission in a student in the school, we give our clerks or office people give one register number to their particular student. This is the class. Then what are the objects? In that, student's name, class, division, roll number, enrollment number, date of birth, etc. We find each and everything in the register number. Means when we enter the register number, we will get all these things in that. So these are known as objects. Okay, class is register number, and objects are student name, class, division, roll number, enrollment number, and date of birth. Now, object-oriented programming procedure. How that object-oriented program works. So I have tried to explain through one two short examples are there. Easy examples are there. Suppose let's see one example about four-wheelers. Now, how can we prepare any software or any app? So it is the basic concept is given there. Easy procedure is given here. First of all, when we start to develop any object, we find these three lines: include IOStream, include string, using namespad standard std. We find there it is compulsory. We find on these three lines when we start the C++. Now, one person is there and he has the number of cars with him, and he wants to give his information on his website. His personal website is there, and on his website he wants to give the different type of cars. I suppose he wants to sell also there. So on his website he will give the this information. Now to create this website, he has to use the C++, and in C++ he develop one program. Now first one, class car. What is the class? Main category is a car there. Then in that, under that, public is there. In that three types are there: public, private, and protected. Public means anyone can see this, open for public. Then private means only yourself, or suppose I have prepared this, only I can see this. And protected means what? The in that only 4-5 people can see this. In mobile also we find that the in status means any for public anyone can see. Sometime the in contact number only, or sometime we in status we can make that the only few people can see this status. In this way, in Facebook also we find the same application is there. So this public, but that person wants to show his four-wheelers to all the people, so he has selected public there. Then after that, three lines are there: string, brand, string, model, and integer integer year. String, brand. Now string means what? In that the in string means you can use the alphabets also, numbers also there, is known as a string in that. And int in third line. Integer means only numbers we have to use there. Suppose sometime what happen, we fill any online form, in that date of birth is given there, in the blank space is there, date of birth. When we enter the alphabets there by mistake, it show error there, means it doesn't accept, because behind that the in C, while developing that in C++, only integer is given there. That's why automatically tell that it is wrong. While filling mobile number also, suppose by mistake we type there abc something our name, automatically doesn't accept it because integer is given there. So this is the feature there again. So string, brand means brand of that car. Then string, model, what is the model in that? And integer, year means in which year that particular four-wheeler has been developed. So we have to prepare first one this, and after that, suppose 100 cars are there with you, 50 cars are there with you. With the help of this, we have to fill the information. Now see, next step is that integer main. In that now main data comes there, integer main. First one, car is the class. Then object, what is object? Car object 1. So here we can give different names also there, A, B, C, D also there, A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3 also. But only for our understanding it is given there, car object 1. Second line, car object 1 dot brand. In first, that is the we have given the string brand. Here that is the brand, that is equal to then inverted double inverted comma BMW inverted comma close, then semicolon. So these symbols are also used there. Then next line is a car object 1 dot model. What is model? Is equal to, that is X5 in double inverted comma. And then third line is a car object 1 point year is equal to 1999. So these are given here. Then afterwards, suppose another one, second one car is there, the same now. Car is the class, then car object 2. In first, there is 1 is given there, now it is 2. It is only for our understanding and for the understanding the programming. Then car object 2 point brand is equal to Ford. Then car object 2 point model is equal to Mustang. Then car object 2 point year is equal to 1969. So in this way, we can make the 10, 50 or 100 types of the class and object. In this way, we can make. Now, last procedure in that, the see out means output. What will be the output? Means what will be the output on the website page. Now we are performing behind the curtain. As for example, just I give example that the behind the curtain is before actual performance on the stage. Behind that we take a lot of practice. I will give example of the annual day. Annual day only for 1 day is there, and that students perform the dance only for 5 minutes. But we take your practice for 15 days, and in this 15 days, what is output? Output is on the annual day in that 5 minutes only. So what will be the output on that website page? For that output, such type of instructions are given there. Then car object 1 point brand, then car object 1 point model, car object 1 point year, then n. This n means indicates the enter. means we can change the line, means line changed. Now if n is not there, then what will happen? Both cars information will be in single line only, but we want to give the information in different lines. That time n is important there. Then see out car object 2 point brand, then car object 2 point model, then car object 2 point year, then n again, and return 0. That return 0 indicates that the no error is there. It is return 0, means that main is there. We have seen first time, that is the main. So return 0 means what? It is telling to the that means that no error is there. See here, this is the actual process on one page. Only for our information I have taken on the different slides, but actual when we perform the program in C++, we can see only on one single page. So we find such type of the programs are there, different type of the signs are used there, punctuation marks are also used there. Now see what will be the output. Output is C, BMW X5 1999, Ford Mustang 1969. So only for these two lines we have to prepare all these information here. Only for these two lines, BMW X5 1999, Ford Mustang 1969. So it is the program is there, and through that only that on website page we find the different type of the information is there. Nowadays online admission process is there. Shahu College also online process there. So behind that also C++ language is there, and through with the help of this C++ language, our college and our Sant Tukaram National Model School website also have been prepared. So we find a lot of information on that. I have given another one example related to our school. For example, suppose our school website is there and we want to give the student information on the website. So for that, with the help of C++, how can we make the program? Let's see another example about students data. Now first line is, I told you that these are the compulsory there, include IOStream, include string using namespace standard. Now class, I have taken the class as a student. In previous example, what was there? Class car was there, but it is the class students. Now in that the public, because we want to show this information to the people, it is public. If it is not there, only for the office people is there, then it will be the protected, means only office people can see this. If it is the only suppose management or the principal sir want to see, then it will be only the private, but we want to show to this information to the people. So public, then string student name. In first line what will be there? Student name will be there, and string, I told you that we can use the alphabets also there, number also there. Then string standard means class of the student, and int dob, integer dob, means in that only the numbers will be there, date of birth. Now integer main student a1. For my information or understanding, I have given the a1. We can give any name there, student a1. Now a1 students name, that is the Patil Rohit Ram. Then A1 standard, that is the 8 Jasmine. A1 is equal to, that is 01/01/2001, means 1st January 2001. That student's birth date is there. Now second student is there, student A2. A2 student's name is equal to, in inverted comma, Shinde Soham Sham. Then A2 standard 8 Jasmine. Then A2 date of birth 12/12/2001. So I have taken only 2 students here. Suppose in our school class 36 students are there. So in this way A3, A4, A5, A6. In this way we can make the 36 students name there. Now what to output? For the output, this procedure is there. See out. A1 student's name, then A1 standard, then A1 DOB, N is there. I told you that the N means what? The enter, means next line. If n is not there, then all the information will be in single line only. That's why n is important there. Then C out, that is the A2 student's name, A2 standard, A2 DOB, and n. I return 0 means no error is there. Whatever all the signs, punctuation marks are given there, brackets are given, these are the correct. Return 0. Now students, on single page, see what is the look of that whole program. So on single page we can see such type of the whole program is there. And what will be the output? Output will be like this: Patil Rohit Ram, 8 Jasmine, 1101 2001, Shinde Soham Sham, 8 Jasmine, 12 2001. So for these two lines, so much, this is the program is there. These are the instructions are there. Instructions are given with the help of C++ for our website and for our that particular students data. So such type of websites we find everywhere, every commercial purpose, or the any hotel, any bank, any where we find the website. On that, on single page we find the such type of information, but on that, behind that, lot of program is there. That's why only we can see this website page and information on that. So it was my little bit, uh, I tried at my best to explain what is C++ as per my knowledge, whatever I understood. I hope you also understood this. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. Because of that, I could also learn and studied the C++. It was unaware. I didn't have any knowledge about this, but within 3-4 days, I studied it, and whatever I understood, I presented here. Thank you for giving the opportunity. Thank you very much.